All right, hello everybody. It is great to be back live with you guys. I was on a little vacation and then we're back at school and then school lets out and then we're on vacation again. So, yay me. All right, I have to turn off the volume on. Oh, good morning, Diana. Good morning, Martha. Just trying to figure out the computer. So let me know if you're on. It always helps with Facebook and the numbers and all that fun stuff. So good morning. So today we're going to do, it's called a bookbinding card. And so this is the card we're going to make. It's kind of cool, huh? And then I wanted to also show you guys. So this one, obviously very Christmassy. We're using Christmas stamps, Christmas paper. Good morning, Lola. Still need to be making Christmas cards. But I wanted to show you guys this card right here is made with the same Designer Series paper pack. So it's not the same paper as this, obviously. But it is Christmas-ish, but I needed a Thinking of You a Thinking of You card. So I wanted to use the same, I wanted to use up the paper, but I did not really want it to be Christmas-y. So I just took a flower stamp, I cut this guy out, kind of used all the same elements, but now I have a non-Christmas bookbinding card. I'm going to give you guys all the dimensions and all that fun stuff, so I'll walk you through it. And then here, I don't know if you guys can see, this is very like soft sea foam. I feel like the light, there's a lot of glare on there. There you go. And so there's some holly white in there and stuff. So just had some pieces actually. This cork paper was just sitting on my desk, so I was like, hey, let's throw it on there, right? Pine cones, it's all very kind of nature, texture kind of stuff. And then this big giant scallop cutout was actually in my scrap pile. So I was like, perfect. So that's this card. I did the same thing. Okay, so I have my trimmer. Woo woo, surprise, surprise. I got my trimmer right here. I don't have to step back and get it. So I'm going to show you guys what we're going to do. So this is your regular piece of cardstock that you get from us, from Stampin' Up! And we are going to cut it at 4.5 inches. So 4.5? 4.5? 4.25? Should be 4.25. All right, 4.25. We're gonna cut it at 4.25. So it is half, right? And then we're going to, I'm thinking you guys are gonna be able to see the score lines a little bit better on the lighter color. So we're going to score it. Let me bring it down. We're gonna score it at 4.25 this way. You guys can see that, 4.25. And score. Make sure you use your score blade and not your cut blade. And then we're going to score it at 5.5. So the 5.5 score line is just like you would be making a regular card. So this is a regular size card. Fits in our envelopes. It's all good. We're going to fold this guy in half on that score line. But do I have my bone folder? I do not. So we will be using the block. And then I fold back on this score line just to give it that crease that you're gonna want with your card. So this is your card base. Okay, we're gonna use the glue, the green bottle glue, liquid Tombow. I actually don't use this glue a whole heck of a lot. I should definitely learn how to use it more. But we're gonna just, you could use any glue. My Red Friday card, which I actually did a video of, I'm going to post later today. I used, and I made something similar to this, but it was big. I used tear and tape because I wanted it like stuck, because lots and lots of hands were going to be touching that card. But, so I just did the Tombow glue, spread it around. We're going to fold it like this and just press down. And then we're just going to let it dry. So we're actually just going to set it aside for a second. And then we're going to create the front of the card. So this right here, your Designer Series paper, is 4x4. Super easy to remember. The inside is, you guessed it, 4x4. So let's do the inside first since we're waiting for the glue to dry. So I'm just going to take Merry Christmas from, let me show you guys the set. The Christmas to Remember. There's that set. Awesome Greetings. Sentiments Perfect Christmas Set. And I'm going to stamp. Like so. All right. And then I'm going to take a little tiny strip of the Designer Series paper. This is, I think this is a 1/2 inch. 1/2 inch. Oops. Roll that. And we're just going to decorate the inside. Give it a little zhuzh. And put that at the top. Like so. Get rid of the adhesive on your fingers. So that's going to be the inside of your card. Now the front of your card, let me see, what did I do? I took this 4x4 piece of Designer Series paper and I cut out, these guys right here are from the Painted Label dies, and I kind of wanted, originally my thought was to put them on top like this, but that just really kind of covered it up. So what I ended up doing was cutting one of them in half. And pulling it out so that you could see it. Can you guys see that on the, and then it's going to be covered up, like the ends, you can see the ends here, but you're going to cover those ends up with your tag and your pine cone. So we're just going to do some layering here. I love this little swirl guy. It's perfect to put a greeting in the middle of it. You can use it just for some texture. What am I doing? What I want to do is put this on the back like this. Okay. And then we're going to add some more adhesive. But I love this swirly guy. Let's see. I'm going to put him in the middle. But I'm going to, the green guy is a little bit crooked, so the ends are here and here, so that I'm going to cover it up like that. And we're just layering, adding some seal. I thought about adding dimensionals and maybe some twine underneath, but it didn't happen when I was creating this card this morning. Okay, so who is all done with their Christmas cards? Give me a high five. Give me a thumbs up. I am not done with my Christmas cards, but I'll get there. Let's see. Oops. Some more adhesive. Thank goodness I saved, well, obviously I saved, the cards that I've been making with you guys on my Friday Facebook Lives. That helped me out a lot. So this guy right here, this pine cone, is from the Christmas season. right there. Oh, Lola, you're all done? Oh, you're so good. You're so good. So this little holly leaf guy here, I'm just gonna stick it underneath the pine cone with some seal. Just kind of, I'm gonna cover up a little bit of the, there we go, like that. All right. Hey. So I have all these pieces now. There is this guy. Ooh, I think I almost like this one more than, oh, you know what? I forgot this piece. I was like, what is this piece doing? Okay, so let's put this on, and then I will give you the dimensions for the next little guy. And I will put the dimensions in the description for you guys. And let's see. So this is 1 inch by 4 inches. So do we want it this way? This way? I think I'm gonna do it this way. And like I said, later today, I'm gonna show you guys my red card, and that's red, remember everyone deployed. I was killing 2 birds with 1 stone. I needed a big giant thank you card for lots and lots of people to sign it. So that's what inspired this book binding card. This guy goes on the inside. And there we have a cute fun fold card. So it sits just like that. Pretty cool, huh? All right, so let's look at this card. We'll look at this guy. This is the sample. Lots of layering here, right? Texture. Thought about adding some bling. We'll see. Here's my Thinking of You card. Using the, I think this is Painted Christmas. Painted Christmas paper. But there's like the front side and the back side. So there's this guy, and then there's this one. Woo! So I knocked out 3 more Christmas cards right now just for you guys. Thank you very much. All right. Well, I hope everyone has a great Friday, a great weekend that's coming up. Hopefully you're getting to do some fun stuff. I am going to be doing chores. You know, when you come back from vacation, you got to do all the stuff that you missed out on. And hopefully surviving this wind. It's not hurricane, but it's pretty windy out there. Yes, thank you guys very much for helping me get my Christmas cards done. And hopefully you guys survive the weekend and have fun. And I will see you, let's see, next Friday. Am I still here on Friday? We're still here on Friday. So I will see you next Friday. All right, you guys take care, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.